How does international law affect separation agreements for cross-border couples? Imagine trying to settle your separation when you and your spouse live in different countries. It can feel like navigating a maze of rules and laws. International law plays a big role in how these agreements are made and enforced. When couples live in or have ties to more than one country, questions about which country's laws apply often come up. The place where the couple or the children usually live, known as the habitual residence, helps decide which country's laws are used. This is especially important for child custody and support issues. If there is no clear agreement on jurisdiction, it can lead to disputes or difficulties in enforcing the separation terms. Even if a couple agrees on terms in one country, that agreement might not automatically be recognized or enforceable in another country. International treaties and conventions help with this. For example, the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction helps prevent children from being taken or kept in another country against court orders. It also supports the return of children if they are wrongfully taken. But these treaties only work between member countries and do not cover every part of a separation agreement, especially financial matters like property division or spousal support. Different countries also have different laws about divorce, property, and child custody. Some countries follow community property rules, where assets are split equally, while others use equitable distribution, which considers fairness. These differences can make it tricky to create agreements that work across borders. Some countries may refuse to recognize agreements that go against their public policies or family law rules. For couples living in different countries, it is smart to seek legal advice in all relevant places. Including clauses in the agreement about which country's laws will govern can help avoid confusion later. When children are involved, the agreement must follow international child protection laws to prevent issues like wrongful removal or custody disputes. Sometimes couples need to register or get approval from courts or authorities in each country to make sure their agreement is valid everywhere. In short, international law influences separation agreements by deciding which laws apply, how agreements are recognized across borders, and how treaties shape child custody and support. Family law professionals must carefully handle jurisdiction issues, treaty rules, and national laws to help couples create agreements that are fair and enforceable no matter where they live or own property.